when you're coming in under legs, like front and back legs, you generally put your shears under and you turn them up, and that lets the skin out. If you come straight in, you're more likely to pinch the skin, so if you just tip your shears up, it lets the skin out, but the bottom blade will grip the wool. So same again as you're coming around the front leg, put the bottom point under and then tip it up. That makes sure you don't get the skin. Same in here, it's a wee bit more subtle in the armpit here, but you just lift the bows out a wee bit and you close and you don't have to worry about picking up skin. Here you're almost doing the opposite, you're twisting the top blade over to let the skin out. Quite often inexperienced blade shearers will complain that their forearm or their hand gets very sore when they're shearing, and although some of this is down to fitness, a lot of it can be due to technique. So if you're finding that your forearm or your hand or wrist are getting really sore while shearing, you may want to try, instead of just closing the shears with your hand, you want to be trying to push down on the top blade using both your tricep and your forearm to close your shears. And if you're on really good shearing sheet where you can get a big blow, you may even be using your shoulder up here to push down on the shears. This way you're working your whole arm instead of just one muscle, and so it'll make it a lot easier to keep shearing through a whole day.